Hey guys, it's me, Ashley. Um, I don't know why I'm so nervous recording this, but anyways, this is my hair. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do this faux loc ponytail. Um, I am officially 1 year locked, and in this clip, I'm just simply putting water and oil in my hair. I washed it the night before, and so I'm just moisturizing it just a bit, just so it won't look too dry. And here I'm just gonna add some oil that my lactician makes. Her name is Irene. I'm going to link her Instagram below. She's an amazing lactician. She's literally like right down the block from me. And yeah, her oil is literally the best. It's been helping my scalp because I do suffer from dry scalp, and that's one of the things that I've learned having locks, where I definitely learned a lot about my hair and how to accept the fact that with locks you have to be patient, like super patient, because I was just like, when is it gonna get long? I want to do a ponytail when I got my starter locks. It was just I was just stressed, you know. But anyways, yeah, me being a bird. Okay. And yeah, over here I was trying to figure out how I was gonna like do it, but then I remembered I watched a video of this girl putting the ponytail in the middle, as you can see here, and I left the perimeter out. I'm sorry. And I'm going to retwist the perimeter, and from then I will just add it onto the middle ponytail, and then I'll add on the faux loc extension. So yeah, as you can see right here, I retwisted the perimeter. And this is my first time retwisting, y'all. Like, I usually don't retwist my hair. I usually go to someone to do it for me. And yeah, for my first time, I'm proud of myself. I was like, okay, you go ahead, Ashley. Yeah, so I'm just retwisting that last one. And yep. So right here you'll see me putting everything into a ponytail, and voila. My hair is, I would say, uneven in a sense where like I have shorter strands, shorter locks, and I just bobby pin it to the back or just tuck it in like I'm doing here. It's no biggie, but there it goes, and there's the back. Putting bobby pins in. Then after that, I'm going to show you guys the hair that I use. So this hair is called Darling. The brand is called Darling hair. It's Rasta loc style in color 2. This hair is made in Kenya. I was like, all right, go ahead, Kenya. You feel me? I searched high and low for a great faux loc, because the textures wasn't cutting it for me for certain brands, but this one I feel like it's the best. Like, look at the ends. I just feel like for a kinky texture, it's definitely it, and it matches my hair. Not exactly, but it's just right. It's the perfect one for me, and I will link that below. I will say that I ordered the sister Rasta loc, but the company sent me the wrong one, but it's no biggie. I contacted them and they said they'll ship me the one that I originally ordered. And I'll probably do another video with that hair because I initially wanted to do it with this video, but it's okay. life happens. As you can see here, I I was struggling to do this ponytail, y'all. I haven't done a ponytail in a minute. Like last time I did it, I would say last year. I know when COVID hit, I did a Marley ponytail where I did like a slick back ponytail, and I was struggling with that too. But I apologize. This video is not perfect. I'm not a pro. I'm human. I'm learning as I'm going, and yeah, over here it just seems like, yeah, you see, like I look frustrated. So I'm trying again. I tried, I would say, about 3 times, but I'm not going to insert those clips because it's going to be a waste of time. But anyways, I definitely tried. I took a breather. I'm like, you know what? Let's do the best that we can, okay? And I did it really tight. Yeah, those 2 locks, I just tuck it in, or I did bobby pin it later. But yeah, so as you can see here, it's secured for me, and just try my best to just get it situated. Like I said, it's just not perfect, but the ending, I was very satisfied for my first time doing this, especially with locks. I really tried. So once I added the ponytail on and I felt it was secure, I took some pieces and wrapped it around, as you can see here. And once I did that, it felt much tighter for me. And that's when I was like, okay, it feels secure, so let me just stick with it and add some bobby pins. Look at me, I'm like, hey, okay. I was happy with it. I'm really sad that I didn't get the correct hair from the company, but it's okay. Because I feel like the hair that I originally ordered would match a bit more in terms of the width. I'm sorry if you hear fireworks. I live in the Bronx, and yeah, that's all I gotta say. I live in the Bronx. Anyways, yeah, so the hair is originally, the width is a bit more smaller, where this one is a bit chunky. But regardless, I honestly feel like this hair is perfect to match, the texture of my locks. And if you feel like we have the same texture, then I suggest you get it. It was only like $8. I believe it was 8 to 9, I think. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, I'm satisfied. I'm feeling myself. And here's the final results. Those 2 bobby pins in the front, I'm sorry. I'm the only one that I don't know if I'm the only one that notices it. I mean, obviously I just pointed it out. Really, Ashley, come on. Anyways. I didn't really care about the bobby pins in the front showing like this is temporary. I just wanted to record a video on how I did this. Look at me feeling myself. Anyways, yep. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below what you think about this style. Alrighty. Peace, love, and blessings, and I hope you all have a wonderful night.